Well, here we've got the Liebherr GKPv 6590, which is our A-rated stainless steel interior and exterior cabinet.
An A-rating is pretty rare.
Very rare in the industry, in the commercial industry, yes. The Liebherr cabinet is climate class 5 also, so we can work in up to 40-degree ambient.
Excellent.
So in very, very hot food service kitchens where this is designed for. Fully stainless steel inside and out, and if I want to open the door and show you. Fully Gastronorm compatible also, so we can take a 2B1 Gastronorm tray or two 1B1s on one shelf. We have a drain hole at the bottom for any liquids, which makes it easy to clean also, which you don't find on all cabinets or many others, to be fair. Stainless steel is very, very easy to clean, very durable, no sort of transfers of flavours and odours. If you do spill any food products on the cabinet, very, very simple to clean, no corrosion properties also. Each shelf takes a massive 60-kilogram loading weight, which is quite a lot.
So it's pretty unusual, isn't it?
It is unusual. I think many go up to about 40 kilo. 60 kilos is quite a lot. And it's more than adequate in food service.
Absolutely.
And that's transferred across from our single door cabinets also to our double doors, exactly the same.